I'm going to open my eyes and I'm going to be home. It's all a bad dream. Oh, I'm not home. I want to go home.
Shush! Stop it. Stop it. Rodney!
Stop it. I want to go home. Oh.
Put yourself to I can't. I'm just frightened. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. All right, Rodney, old man. You can get yourself out of here. And you will. Never forget. The blood of the courageous St. James clan flows through your veins. A way out? Yes! Oh.
Hey, that took me 3 years to draw.
I'm terribly sorry. 3 years?
I just finished it this morning.
3 years? What is this place?
Hold the bus.
Feed the flies, tuppence a bag.
It's a real city.
What's Smalls?
Is it a bird?
Is it a plane?
Is that guy wearing my underpants?
Make him move, honey.
Boy, you got a face like a frying pan.
Come on, honey.
I don't think he speaks English. Hey, he moved. Did you get it?
Got it.
Good.
Oh, sorry.
It's coming!
What? Where? Who?
The Great Flood! Those floodgates won't hold forever, you know. We're doomed! Oh, you think you can back away from the truth? Oh, no!
Hello. What's all this then?
Oh, thank heavens, a policeman. This wacko has been chasing after me.
Morning, Harold.
Morning, Collin. How are you?
Can't complain.
Keep an eye on this one, It's a bit of a loony.
What?
We're doomed!
Me? Are you kidding me?
Right, let's give you a police escort home then.
Oh, great. I live in Kensington. Up there. The surface.
Up top? Oh, no. No. The humans don't like our sort.
Speak for yourself. They're like me very much up there.
Oh, I don't like your attitude. I've got my eye on you, sunshine.
So, you're trying to get up top, me hearty.
Yes?
There's one person round here might be able to help you. Might.
Really?
Shady customer. The captain of the Johnny Dodger. If you can find it.
I know where it is.